Hello, this is Gordon from TaroWorks and you're watching Adding Scoring to Surveys. In this video, we're going to cover how scoring is useful, how to add scoring to your surveys, and how would you find, view, and export the scores. Scoring is useful for summing the totals based on the choices, creating indexes, and also quick reporting. Let's go straight to our example. In this scenario, I work for a food bank, and I've been asked to track the amount of total calories and cost that goes out with each of the boxes that we pack. So I've created this simple questionnaire. There's going to be a box number, the location where this is done, and for the sake of simplicity, we're just going to put in each box one choice of staple food, rice, pasta, or potatoes, one choice of protein, lentils, chicken, or tofu, and a mix of other goods. This one is unrestricted, which means that you could tick all three if you want. Perhaps not the most nutritious of food bank, but you get the idea. Click on Scoring. The Scoring tab begins blank like so. To begin, click on Create. You'll be asked to name your scoring group. In our case, we want to track the calories, and we also want to track the costs. If at any time you wish to edit or delete, just click the corresponding buttons. You notice that for each scoring group you added, there will be a column of boxes. Also notice that you cannot assign score to all types of question. In fact, the only question types where scoring can apply to would be single select and multiple selects. Within each box, you can enter a value. Since location has no impact on the either calories or the cost, we're going to leave that, and that would have a value of 0. I'm now going to enter the values for the calories and cost for each item here. So I'm going to fast forward this to the end. Great, and we're done. A quick note, only integers between -100 and 100 can be entered. If you enter a number out of the range, you'll receive an error message telling you. When you finish, scroll to the bottom, click Save. You can then proceed with setting logic and field mapping as usual. Quick note, it's not possible to set logic based on the scores, nor is it possible to map the scoring group, calories or costs, into any fields. That was easy. What we're going to do, of course, is publish this survey inside a data collection task inside a job, and then we can see it in action. So here we are at the packing line, and we already have a job in progress. So we're going to log the items in this box. In Uptown, dry pasta, chicken breast, gonna have some salt, along with a kilogram of coffee. So that is it. Notice that the survey behaves exactly the same as other surveys without scoring, and that the score does not display at the end of the survey. Save the form and submit. In the meantime, I'm going to submit 2 more jobs. So where can you find the scores? Just like any other survey submission, click on the response count. You will find the scores at the rightmost of the table. You can export the table along with the scores as normal. Remember, scores are available for single and multi-select questions only. These scores can be found in the Survey Manager by clicking Responses, and only the sum of the scores are stored. Individual questions values are not included. If you have found this video useful, I invite you to click on the thumbs up button below, as well as subscribing to the TaroWorks channel. Should you have any questions or comments, please feel free to enter them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching.